It's time for me to make that very first modification to my Daily Bugle to make this my Daily Bugle instead of one I just bought from the box. And the thing I'm going to change is the Spidey-Mobile. Now, don't get me wrong, there's a special place in my heart for the Spidey-Mobile, but it is universally recognized as one of the most silliest, ridiculous moments in Spider-Man history. The fact that Spider-Man, who can web swing above traffic, would actually drive a doom buggy all over New York City to fight crime. So in that reasoning, I'm going to get a much cooler vehicle to spice up my Daily Bugle. I'm going to grab Ghost Rider's motorcycle. I got this set a few years ago with the Spider-Man Ghost Rider team up against the Hobgoblin, and I love this motorcycle, and I think it's going to look a lot cooler than the Spidey-Mobile on the side of the Daily Bugle. Now, the only thing we have to do is there's some translucent orange boat studs underneath to kind of keep that bottom in place. We're just going to pop those off so it'll fit on that little turning wheel, and then I'll probably put it on right here in the back. Now, let's take off that Spidey-Mobile and put on our Ghost Rider motorcycle here. And I'm just going to put it on the back 4 plates so it looks like he's driving down the Daily Bugle on his motorcycle from HE double hockey sticks. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.